this is not about making a to-do list. I'm not going to give you tips to be productive, okay? This video is not about the mechanics, it's about the mindset that you need in order to succeed. Do you really want to achieve success? Really? Do you truly want to become the person that you admire the most? Or do you want to have the job you always wanted and you truly want to create maybe that business you always dreamed of? Really? Yes? Then type yes on the comment and commit with yourself. And please stay with me until the end because I will share with you 5 simple steps to build a solid mindset for success. Now, if you're really committed to yourself and you really want to achieve success, then it's time to install new neuronal patterns in your brain so that you achieve success with a successful mindset. Logic, right? So let's get to it. Number 1, decide what you want. Yes, clarity is the first step. If you don't know where you're going, what are you setting up your mind for? What are you configuring your mind, or which parameters are you putting in there to achieve what exactly? So tell me something. When you go to a restaurant, let's go that you go to a Mexican restaurant and the waiter asks you, "What's your order, sir or madam?" Do you tell him or her, just bring me whatever you like, I'll just go along with it? No! You clearly ask for a burrito or tacos or anything with your specificities, with the drink you want to have with it, don't you? You know exactly why you picked that restaurant to go to begin with, right? And you know what you want to have there. So the waiter is expecting also a specific order to get it ready for you. Well, the mind works exactly the same way. And if success is an order that you want to put out there to the world, then you have to really make it specific and in alignment with what you like, what you're craving for, and what you decide for yourself. Simple, right? So my advice as a career coach is that you define first what success means to you, not to society or to your family or to your parents or your partner, whatever. It's what is success to you. Define it and identify yourself with that concept. Make it a clear image right here in your mind. So step 1 is to decide what you want. Check. Number 2, identify your saboteur. Our mind, like a computer, can be programmed, right? Now, if you have the wrong programs installed, success is never going to come into your life in the way you want it. I really hope you know this. So if you have the right parameters, or you have to make sure to identify and observe what we call the limiting beliefs that you have today that are preventing you from achieving success. Stop, but really stop when you're thinking negatively. Negative thoughts are contagious and not in a good way. Believe me, they are resistance to what you want to create for yourself. I found myself many times near what I call the black hole of negativity, and this thing has an incredible force to suck you in and to sabotage anything. And definitely this is not near the right mindset that you want to have for success. So what I've learned for myself, or at least to protect myself and to get away from that black hole, is to set an alarm system. It's a conscious effort to remind me to stop whenever a thought of resistance is on its way. So second step, remove resistance. All right, check that one. Number 3, program yourself for success. Linguistic programs can help you achieve your goals. So here below you can find a couple of links to some of the first videos I made about programming your mind for success, how to install new parameters, and how to make sure that you are truly ready for success. Please watch these videos. They are going to be incredibly helpful to understand these concepts of building new constructive beliefs. You can use affirmations, mantras, whatever you like to call them, but it is super important to discipline, that is the right word for it, to discipline your mind and to set it up for success. There is an affirmation that I like to use every day, no matter what the situation is. I always say, I always have the resources I need to succeed. I always have the resources I need to succeed. This is my mantra. This is how I tell my mind to find anything it needs to get me to where I want to go. Now, which mantra or affirmation are you going to choose to program your mind? So you know, first step, program your mind for success. Check that one as well. Now, I told you there are 5 simple steps. The last 2 are the best, so stay with me. Number 4, the best piece of advice I can give you. Learn to or start to meditate. Yes, meditation. This is a game changer. I don't mind if you choose Buddhist meditation, guided meditation, mindfulness, or if you meditate on your own. Honestly, this is a very personal practice, but it changes everything when it comes to achieving success and to build the solid mindset that you need to succeed at your goal goals in your own terms. I started to meditate in 2013 with the Sylvia method, and since there is no way I make a decision or that I start a creative process without connecting with my higher self first. You get to more elevated levels of intuition, creativity, problem solving, clarity, and mental peace when you make meditation a regular habit. So tell me, have you ever tried meditation? Please let me know over here in the comments how has it been for you? What has been your experience? And if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Really, what are you waiting for? So step number 4, meditate, check that one. And let's go for the last one, the icing on the cake. Number 5, consciousness about yourself. You want to achieve success. You are defining your goals. You are activating your actions. You are the one in control of your objectives, right? Therefore, you have to know yourself. This sounds so obvious, but you have no idea how many people out there do not really know themselves, or even worse, they don't respect who they are. They just simply go with the flow, they follow others, they take other action just because they are in the environment and the people there are doing these things. So please know yourself, know your body, know what you can eat, know what is not good for you, know what doesn't please you. Don't force things just because somebody else is doing them. Check your environment. Are you surrounded by the right people? Those with good habits, behavior, and beliefs that are in alignment with what you want to achieve? Are they supporters or detractors? And how are you managing this? Be conscious about yourself, be in connection with yourself, and you will take the right course. If you're conscious about yourself, if you are in alignment with yourself, your mind will not be in conflict. It will be solid and ready to support your goals. So step number 5, be conscious about yourself and be ready to create alignment. Check that one. There you go. 5 simple steps to achieve success with a success mindset. Now, they are simple, yes, but not necessarily fast to implement. So you still need to keep building that mindset and to nourish it continuously. And I'm here to help you with that. So please subscribe to this channel to make sure that you keep programming for success, okay? Big kiss, and I'll be seeing you in another episode for more information to boost your career. See you then.